Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
You feel me? We back at it again with another banger for y'all boys, you feel me? Y'all boys can see we behind on the wheel of Promethazine, you feel me? You know, it's a nice sunny, beautiful day, a few clouds in the sky. So that means we finna turn up, you feel me? As y'all boys can tell by the title, nigga, we got a Hellcat POV with this shotgun with a flamethrower on there. I know you may be saying, Sean, nigga, what is wrong with you? You feel me? I don't know. I got a problem. You feel me? So I put a flamethrower on my gun. So when I'm shooting it, I can shoot fireballs at y'all niggas, no cap. But anywho, you feel me? So I got Miss Shotgun in the passenger seat with me. This is my passenger princess for the day. You feel me? She gonna keep me protected while I drive around the streets of Birmingham, Alabama, in the Hellcat, you feel me? Before we get too far in the video, y'all make sure y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. You know, all that good stuff. You feel me? Also, make sure y'all boys are watching the whole video. And make sure y'all are, you know, sharing the video with y'all friends and stuff. You feel me? They go a little CTSV. That bit clean. I still burn that nigga though. But you feel, right now we driving on this little back road, so we can't go too crazy, you feel me? And my tires, I still ain't got new tires, y'all. We still rolling on the same tires from last video, you feel me? So we gonna make it do what it can do. You feel me? We ain't trying to have no tie pop out there, bit, cause then I'm gonna be stranded. You feel me? Let me do a little pull. We can't go too crazy on this road, y'all. Nigga fly off this little mountain, it's gonna be rough. Y'all won't be receiving no more video from my ass, cause I'm gonna be dead, nigga. Damn, them pops sound good. Y'all can't lie, bro. This bitch sound good, especially without a tune. If I get a tune, it's gonna be even crazier, no cap. Hopefully my camera mount ain't all over the place, because this iPhone 16 Pro Max with this big ass case on here is heavy, bro. The phone mount be giving out on God. Let's see, we're gonna make this here a little right, you feel me? Made that bitch get a little sideways, you feel me? Not too crazy. We also gotta watch out on this road though, cause the police has got a lot of spots where them niggas can hide at, you feel me? And I don't want no smoke. Today, y'all, well, I guess it's not that late in the day yet. I gotta give it a little bit more time, cause I'm telling you, the sun be beaming out there bit, no cap. bitch didn't want to get sideways. It was because of them rocks. Feel my shotgun almost ran away. That was embarrassing on God. I thought my ass finna drive off the cliff. We gonna try it again at this little turn up here though. Gotta make sure ain't no police around there bit though, like I said. Cause I did see like two of them hiding behind Publix one day. So I think that's their little daily hiding spot. We had to get active out there, bit no cap. We gotta hurry up and go for the boys be on our ass too. You feel me? That's how you whip that Hellcat around that corner on everything. Real corner bender, nigga. I don't see no police behind me, so I think we in the clear. No cap. Damn, we got receipts and shit flying around there, bit. I do need to calm down though, cause I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I didn't even look at my tires, and I was sliding all weekend on pre-ball tires. I can't be doing stuff like that. Oh God. My car seemed a little louder for some reason. I guess because I ain't been in it in a while. Yeah, and also give me some feedback on how y'all liking the videos though. You feel me? And also tell me some more video ideas y'all boy want to see. I don't want to bore y'all niggas with POV videos. I want to, you feel me, do some different stuff, which I do got some different stuff planned real soon. You feel me? So just, you know, let me know what y'all niggas want to see. I was finna try to do something, but you feel me? I ain't wanna, you know, overdo it, and you feel me, your boy end up in a ditch. So I didn't even do it. I can't let my intrusive thoughts get me fucked over. No cap. Hell no. This bitch sound crazy. Coming down that little road. I ain't gonna lie, it's a lady who be sitting on her porch in the neighborhood. She be looking at my ass crazy as hell every time I come down the road. I don't even be going fast no more. That bitch still be mad. Oh God. I ain't gonna lie, I used to be cutting up on her street a lot though. She don't really mess with all that, on God. She probably the one who had the police camping around the block. You feel me? Nigga wanna pull me over, give me a weak ass ticket. Nigga, I wasn't even doing that. Oh well. That's what comes with owning a Hellcat. That nigga nose was big as hell, on God. I know that nigga can smell everything. I ain't gonna lie, that was fun right there. No cap. Too bad I don't got enough tire and I need to chill my ass out before, you feel me? I have to be waiting on the tow truck. So we gonna turn this bit around. We gonna do one more slide, y'all, and we gonna call it a day. They been going back in the yard, no cap. Now it's time to chill out, you feel me? But that's gonna wrap it up for this video, y'all. We gave y'all boys just a little quick, simple POV, nothing too crazy. You feel me? But we is gonna have some lit content in the future, you feel me? So make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? Let me know what type of content y'all boys want to see, you feel me? And I'm probably gonna be later on this year, probably after my birthday, which is in August. I'm probably gonna go ahead and, you feel me, I'm probably gonna try to get the Hellcat up to 800 wheel horsepower, you feel me? That's the goal. I know I'm gonna get me like a ported snout, what I'm gonna do, ported snout, damn, I can't think. Ported snout, 2.75 millimeter pulley, I think 1050cc injectors, you know, all that good stuff. And whatever else I got to do, I know I got to do a couple of stuff to make sure that bitch stay cool. You feel me? And then there's gonna be the Hellcat build. And if I want to make more power, we gonna go E85. But I don't think I'm going all the way up to E85 though. But you feel me? You never know what's gonna happen. You feel me? So make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. Until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace.